In today's video, I will show you how to download and install Actions and Stuff 1.4 for Minecraft Bedrock. Let's get started. First, log into your Microsoft account and open the game. Go to the Marketplace and click on Continue. Click on the search bar and search for Actions and Stuff. Once you find it, click on it and buy it from here. Once you have made purchase, click on Download at the right corner of your screen. Wait for it to get downloaded. Once done, click on Activate Texture Pack at the top right. Click on My Packs, then click on Actions and Stuff, and then click on Activate. Go to Active and you will see Actions and Stuff here. You can click on Deactivate if you want to turn it off. You can also click on the settings icon and adjust its resolution. You can now launch your world and play the game using Actions and Stuff. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.